stirred the Kisan stir cauldron. She suggested that a Bangladesh-like situation could have erupted in India but for the country's strong leadership. She went on to say that bodies were found hanging and rapes were taking place during the farmers' protest against the now repealed 3 farm laws, alleging the involvement of China and the US in what she called a conspiracy. Wary of the fallout and having burned their fingers once before, BJP quickly denounced its Lok Sabha MP for her remarks. In a statement, party expressed disagreement with her views and made it clear that she is neither permitted nor authorized to comment on the party's policy matters. BJP has also directed Kangana Ranaut to not make any statement of this kind in future. However, BJP's swift damage control to shield itself from any possible blowback in the poll season has had no impact on opposition. Congress and other opposition parties went after the BJP, with LOP in Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi and Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge saying that the remarks have exposed the anti-farmer mindset of the BJP.
अगर ये उनका मत नहीं है, अगर आपकी पार्टी का ये मत नहीं है, तो निकाल बाहर करिए ऐसे सांसद को। अगर ये आपका मत नहीं है, तो इस देश के किसानों के खिलाफ जिसने इस तरह की बात की है, उसको किसी कीमत पर संसद में बैठने का हक नहीं है। हाथ जोड़ के माफी मंगवाइए किसानों से, और अगर ये सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते तो आप खुद माफी मांगिए इस देश के किसानों से।
ये उनका निजी बयान है, निजी मत होता है। भाजपा का ये मत नहीं है। भाजपा सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास में विश्वास करती है। अपेक्षा करते हैं कि वे आगे से इस प्रकार के बयान नहीं देंगी और पार्टी की जो लाइन है उससे अलग जाकर बयानबाजी नहीं करेंगे।
Haryana unit of AAP will be hitting the streets in all districts of the state today to protest against Kangana's remark. Samyukt Kisan Morcha has sought an unconditional apology from the BJP MP and the Prime Minister as well, warning of a public boycott of actor-turned politician.
अभी जो ये कंगना रनावत ने बेहद ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण और गंदा बयान किसानों के ऊपर दिया है, इसकी जितनी ज्यादा आलोचना करी जाए उतनी ही कम है। कंगना रनावत का विवादों से पुराना नाता रहा है। पहले इन्होंने एक बार ये कहा था कि ये किसान आंदोलन में जो महिलाएं आती हैं वो 100 रुपया लेके आती हैं। अब उन्होंने ये कह दिया कि किसान आंदोलन में रेप हो रहे थे, हत्याएं हो रही थी। तो ये जो विवादास्पद बयान बार बार दे रही हैं, इन बयानों पर भाजपा के शीर्ष नेतृत्व द्वारा रोक लगाए जाने की जरूरत है। हम कंगना रनावत को इस लायक नहीं समझते कि उनके बयान पे कोई जवाब दिया जाए, लेकिन जवाब तो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री और माननीय गृहमंत्री जी को देना चाहिए। अब जब तीसरी
All right, let's open this up. We're joined by Mr. R. Rajagopalan, senior journalist. We have Congress leader Saif Khan on the broadcast as well. Good morning to both of you. Saif Khan, now the BJP has denounced Kangana Ranaut, has called it her statement, distanced itself from Kangana Ranaut. So, is that not enough action, or is the opposition demanding more?
Absolutely, it should be. There is a stronger action, or maybe a tough decision the party needs to take, or maybe terminate her Lok Sabha seat as well. I mean, this kind of statements made for the farmers, which is approximately 80% of the population in India, it is unacceptable. The party should say sorry to all of the farmers in India. In fact, she should, terminate her services immediately. Right now, and certainly come out. The Modi ji should come out with, with both hands joining in front of the farmers of the country. Secondly, as there are many cases being registered. The ones, as Bharatiya Janata Party came to the power, since the beginning started lying. On many cases, like if you talk about 50% Mool Samarthan or 50% Mool Samarthan, then after winning the elections,
Let's come back
submitting
to
a document,
which is the statement made by Kangana Ranaut. And tell me something, Saif Khan, because this question will be posed to you. How many times has Rahul Gandhi or Sonia Gandhi apologized for comments made by the party men?
Why would they apologize? For what reason? I mean, did they insult any farmers in India?
Controversial statements made by the Congress leaders.
No, right? But we have seen Bharatiya Janata Party.
Have the leaders apologized for controversial statements made by Congress leaders?
As Pakistani, is this acceptable? Did any Bharatiya Janata Party or its leaders make any apologies, public apologies? No, right? Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi never made any statements against the farmers.
I'm talking about leaders. Now, Kangana Ranaut is not the Prime Minister of the country, but you're seeking an apology from the Prime Minister of the country for the statement that she has made. Let me bring in Mr. Rajagopal. Mr. Rajagopal, respond, because Saif Khan and others in the Congress and the opposition are saying this is not enough. This is just tokenism that you're distancing yourself. This actually exposes the real mindset of the BJP, which is Kisan Virodhi. Please respond.
Every political party has got a motor mouth. Manishankar Iyer, Salman Khurshid, even Rahul Gandhi. ये कह रहे थे केरोसिन ऑयल दे दो, मिट्टी ताल दे दो, आग लग जाएगा इंडिया में, भारत माता को हत्या हो रहा है, झूठ बोला पार्लियामेंट में, राफेल के ऊपर, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में माफी मांगा. So therefore,
12,000 लोग जो है मर रहे हैं.
No, 1 second, Saif Khan, now please, now let him speak. Let Mr. Rajgopalan speak. I'll come back to you. I'll come back to you for a counter. But it's his turn to talk.
Growing food for you.
It's his turn to talk, Saif Khan. Please.
This is not
Let him finish. I'll come to you for a counter.
And those people.
Saif Khan ji, किसी को कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है आप क्या कह रहे हैं? Please, 1 second. Let him finish. Let him finish. I'll come back to you. Let him finish. Do not disrupt the debate, please. Do not disrupt the debate, Saif Khan, and don't force me to lower your fader. I don't want to do that. Mr. Rajgopalan, please go ahead.
Where are those promises made?
Okay, don't just make noise. Let the debate happen.
Why aren't there any?
Don't disrupt the debate. Mr. Rajgopalan, please go ahead.
Mr. Rahul Gandhi said that आग लग जाएगा इंडिया में. Sonia Gandhi said certain things, and also Mr. Sam Petroda said that all South Indians look like Africans, and all Bengalis look like Chinese. These are all comments during election time. Kangana Ranaut, whatever she said, the same feeling have been expressed by Mr. Salman Khurshid. Whatever happening in Bangladesh will also be happening in India. Therefore, Mr. Salman Khurshid should also be taught a lesson. Rahul Gandhi should apologize on Salman Khurshid. Therefore, my understanding is Congress is playing double game. Kangana Ranaut has been, given a reprimand. Now it is her turn whether to apologize or not. It is her turn. It's a matter between Congress.
But she is affiliated to the Bharatiya Janata Party. I mean, if nothing else, the poll season is nearing. Isn't the party analyzing that? Isn't the party, analyzing whether it's going to hit back? Whether it's going to have an impact on the poll prospects?
Swati, every 6 months you have a party election in India. Every 6 months. And second thing, model code of conduct. And second thing, she is a member of parliament. And moreover, she defeated a sitting minister in Himachal Pradesh. Therefore, she reflects the mindset of the voters.
But that does not give her the right to make. That does not give her the right to make statements that the party also does not agree with.
The right to speak. Therefore, party distance is a matter between party and the MP. Congress has no role. Rahul Gandhi said, "Chitta laga do, aag lag jayega."
Okay, Saif Khan, the party has distanced itself from the statement, says Rajgopalan. Saif Khan, please go ahead. It's your turn to speak.
See, absolutely. I would like to firstly make this point right. The one sitting in front of the channel and speaking on the behalf of, sitting as a political expert and supporting Bharatiya Janata Party, that is firstly not fair. Secondly, as the political expert here, you're sitting here making those 72,000 crore maaf kiye the sab Congress ne jo hai. Listen to me. As a political expert, how much waiver has the central government given to the farmers? Where is the 50% mool samarthan promised in 2014? What about the MSP stand? Are we clear about the MSP? There was a committee formed, right? What is the committee doing? Sleeping right now? Are they taking any step? Why all of those farmers, 700 farmers, those who sacrificed their life during the protest, were they given any benefits or any compensation? No, right? And you're sitting and talking in terms of Bharatiya Janata Party and its spokesperson. You should be ashamed of yourself, right? You're talking about the people, those who are actually feeding you and your family.
1 second, he is not a BJP politician, he is a senior journalist, Saif Khan ji. He is a senior journalist.
all of the promises made by
Don't
Bharatiya
attack me.
Janata Party
Answer the
and
question.
leaders were never
Why Rahul
fulfilled.
Gandhi apologize? Why he didn't apologize?
I'm asking
Don't come
I'm
into
asking
that.
you the
You
question
answer
here
that.
firstly. What about the
You
MSP?
answer
Where
that.
is the MSP
Congress
right now?
spokesperson
What about
should
the
answer.
demands? Where
India
is the
Shinwate
committee
said,
formed?
"Mandi mein
What are they
do
doing?
na milta
Sleeping?
hai." Saying that Kangana Ranaut is a prostitute.
We never, as an Indian National Congress, Rahul Gandhi ji, Sonia Gandhi ji,
Yeah,
never
he
made
spoke.
any statement.
No, we are not talking about the leaders. We are saying that party men have made a lot of controversial statements in the past. Has the leadership ever taken onus of that? Has the leadership issued an apology for those controversial statements made by Congress people?
Congress should
Okay,
apologize.
just a
Congress should
focus on
apologize.
Congress. Who's running the government right now? Is Modi ji running the government right or not? 700 farmers sacrificed their lives. Did Modi ji came and apologized to all of the farmers? No,
Yes,
never.
yes.
And I don't see. They've been calling. I see those statements. They've been calling farmers Khalistani. They've been calling farmers Pakistani. All of these rubbish statements were made against Indian farmers. Those are approximately 80% of our population.
Congress ki simple
No promise was actually fulfilled. What say about the recent promises which were made? Pension? Are we planning to give any pension to the farmers and their farm laborers? How about the loan waivers? Is central government implementing any waivers for the farmers, except for giving a lollipop of 6,000 rupees?
Okay. All right. Saif Khan, in fact, the Prime Minister did. The Prime Minister sincerely, with folded hands while repealing the law, did say that he apologized and that he failed to convince the farmers about the benefits of those laws. But Mr. Rajagopalan, like Saif Khan said, it's the BJP which is in power, and the leadership should not just distance itself from the statements made by Kangana Ranaut. The opposition is demanding an apology now. They are demanding an apology, or else they are saying that their protest will intensify. They'll boycott the actor turned politician. Mr. Rajagopalan and Saif Khan, for the moment, thank you very much for joining us on the broadcast.